Hey guys, so today right here walking, found myself Simply Smoothie, Simply Orange, and Simply Lemonade, and gonna try them all out to see who's good. So first I'm gonna do the Simply Smoothie. Sorry about that. Shake it up a little bit. Alright, gonna try it out. Be good. It's fruit taste and it's multi blueberry. It's really good. I'm at this bus station because it's snowing outside, so it's in the shade. It's really good. Yeah, this had a good blueberry tasted, which is pretty cool. This is pretty good. Now, the next one is gonna be Simply Orange juice thing. I'll shake it up a little bit. So, actually I already know how this tastes like. It tastes really good. It's orange. It's orange, it's citrusy, it's pretty good. Yeah, this is pretty good. Tastes like, yeah, orange juice, citrusy. I'm gonna do more of these taste test stuff. Let's look and see if a bus is coming. They're quite good. So it's 100% orange juice. Love it. So good. So that's super good. Sodium, protein. So yeah, it's pretty good for the body, guys. So on the next round, so I already know how this tastes like. So good. Simple lemonade. Citrus and lemon together. So good. No. Tastes like citrus, lemon, lemonade. So good. You really couldn't chose the thirst. I love it. Side body here at Walgreens. It's tiny. That really good. All natural. Some lemonade.
Var det cigarette you could spin?
No.
Or no cigarette?
No. Let's look and see if a bus is coming. And my Goodyear Highland Park. Buy a couple CDs. It's good stuff. There you go. Doesn't it look good also? Okay. Well, that's kind of the end of the taste testing. So good. Loved it. And keep on rocking.